Hello everyone, myself Rajbir and I would like to welcome you all on behalf of Shiv Jyoti Educational Group. Students, today we will take a chapter from English Grammar, that is chapter number 11, topic comparison for class 4. Everyone please open page number 48 in your books. I just repeat, open page number 48, chapter number 11, topic comparison. Okay. Before starting the topic, I would like to tell you what is comparison. Comparison is basically when we compare something, जब हम कुछ चीज़ compare करते हैं, like I'm comparing a girl, a single girl, another girl to another girl. I'm comparing a girl to another girl. ठीक है? On the basis of suppose if she is tall and she is quite taller than her. So I will be writing taller, tall, taller. So like this there is a comparison. Comparison is going on between two things. So as the name suggests comparison, we need to compare the things. Okay. So let's read what is there in your book. We use adjectives to compare two or more people, animal or things. It is very obvious that we use adjectives describing words to use to compare people, animal or thing. Again noun is there, everywhere noun is there. The motorcycle is heavy. You can see in the picture that motorcycle is heavy. We all know that motorcycles are heavy. But उससे भी ज़्यादा heavy क्या हो गया? Elephant हो गया. जब इन दोनों के बीच में comparison है तो कौन सी चीज़ ज़्यादा हैवी है? एलिफेंट ज़्यादा हैवी है. Whenever there is a comparison between two, there is like heavier, and then if there is a comparison between three, it will become heaviest. Now अगर तीसरी चीज़ हमारी है ship, right? If ship is there, so what is the most heaviest thing? The ship is the most heaviest item among the three. Like this we can say, we can just compare, we have just compared three things together: motorcycle, elephant and ship. Okay. Adjectives can be put in three categories based on their use in the comparison. Now positive, comparative and the third one is superlative. So the comparison is like this: positive comparison, comparative and superlative. Suppose I am having three boys in front of me. This is Ram, he is tall. This is Shyam, he is taller than Ram, right? And this is Rahul, which is tallest among them. So tall, taller, tallest. If the comparison is between two, we have added ER to it, and if the comparison is between three more than two, we have added EST, right? So like this there is a comparison which goes on. Okay. An adjective that does not show any comparison is said to be positive degree. Positive degree in the sense जहाँ पर कोई comparison नहीं है. Suppose this stick is with me. The size of the stick is like, okay, the size of the stick is this. ठीक है? This is tall. If I have compared it like this, जहाँ तक ये ऐसे है, it is in positive degree. मैंने इसको ऐसे किया, ये थोड़ी सी और ज़्यादा टॉल हो गई, टॉलर हो गई, तो इट इज़ इन कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. नाउ आई हैव डन इट लाइक दिस, इसको और बड़ा कर दिया, इट इज़ इन सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म. नाउ like this you can just do the comparison. It is very simple. Whenever we compare the things with each other, it is called comparison, right? Now an adjective that shows comparison between two things. When there is a comparison between two things, right? I am having two bottles. Suppose I am having two bottles. एक bottle मेरी थोड़ी सी बड़ी है और एक bottle मेरी थोड़ी सी छोटी है, right? तो मेरी bottle एक तो short है और एक shorter है, तो दो के बीच में comparison हो गया, तो वो हमारा हो गया comparative degree, right? जैसे कि bright, brightest, sorry, bright, brighter, और जब हमारा एडजेक्टिव दैट इंडिकेट्स कंपैरिजन ऑफ मोर देन 2 थिंग्स इज सेड टू बी सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। अब जब कंपैरिजन बहुत सारे बच्चों के बीच में या बहुत सारी चीज़ों के बीच में है, सपोज आपकी क्लास में 50 बच्चे हैं, सबके बीच में कंपैरिजन हो रहा है, दैट विल बी सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कंपैरिजन। जहाँ पर 2 से ज़्यादा होता है वहाँ पर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ कंपैरिजन आता है। लाइक यू कैन सी ब्राइट, ब्राइटर, ब्राइटेस्ट, शॉर्ट, शॉर्टर, शॉर्टेस्ट, कोल्ड, कोल्डर, कोल्डेस्ट। जब सिंगल चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं पॉजिटिव डिग्री, जब 2 के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं कंपैरेटिव डिग्री, जब हम 2 से ज़्यादा के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, इट कैन बी मैनी, इट कैन बी 3, 4, 5, 6, तब हम सुपरलेटिव डिग्री के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, राइट। नाउ लेट्स सी, we follow some rules to form adjectives showing different degrees of comparison. It is very simple, जो मैंने आपको अभी बताया। Okay, an adjective that indicates comparison of more than 2 things is said to be in a superlative degree. We always use the article the with the superlative adjective. We all know that if there is a comparison between more than 2, if there is a comparison between more than 2, suppose आपकी क्लास में बहुत सारे बच्चे हैं, उनके बीच में comparison हो रहा है, competition हुआ, हैंड राइटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन, नाउ आई हैव टू टेक आउट कि मुझे 5 बच्चे निकालने हैं जो बहुत अच्छा करते हों, तो उस फॉर्म में हमारा आएगा सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। ओके, तो वो 5 बच्चों के बीच में कंपैरिजन हुआ, फर्स्ट इसको मिला, सेकंड इसको मिला, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, लाइक दिस वी कैन कंपेयर एंड इट विल कॉल सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। Now we use the article the with the superlative adjective, and we always use the article the with the superlative adjective. Now we follow some rules to form adjectives showing we always use the article the with the superlative adjective. For example, क्लास में सबसे लंबा सबसे tall boy कौन सा है? Suppose Rahul is the tallest boy, so I have used the word the before Rahul. Rahul is the tallest boy. Before मेरे adjective tall के tallest के मैंने the use किया। राहुल से पहले We always use article the with the superlative adjective. Suppose मेरा adjective है tallest. मेरी क्लास में सबसे tall boy कौन सा है? Rahul. Rahul is the tallest boy. So I have used the before the adjective tallest. Like this you can use different adjectives which comes under the superlative degree. Okay. Now we follow some rules to form adjectives showing different degrees of comparison. मैंने अभी आपको explain किया था कि अगर 2 के बीच में comparison होता है, to some adjectives we just add er और est. 2 के बीच में comparison है तो tall का हो गया taller, अगर 2 से ज़्यादा के बीच में comparison है तो tall, taller, tallest. Like this it will be there. In some adjectives we double the last letter and add er और est. हम क्या करते हैं, last letter को double कर देते हैं, जैसे कि wet, wet मतलब गीला, तो wet, wetter, wettest. The spelling will be like this. I'll show you. My word is wet. अब मैं क्या करूँगी, I will be adding er by adding this t. मैंने एक ये t और add किया है इसमें. You can see. Now the third form, superlative form will be wettest. इसमें भी मैंने t add किया है and I have added est. Like this it will be going. Now in some adjectives, यही मैंने अभी आपको बताया, डबल द लास्ट लेटर मैंने डबल कर दिया, टी डबल कर दिया और पहले er लगाया। जब 2 के बीच में कंपैरिजन था, when there is a comparison in more than 2, I have added est to wet, right? Big, bigger, biggest. This is an example which is shown in your book. Now from some adjectives we drop y and add I and er और est. जैसे easy, easy आपका वर्ड है, हमने इसमें क्या किया, y को हटा दिया, रिप्लेस कर दिया I से और ऐड करा er. er तब हम ऐड करते हैं जब कंपैरिजन 2 के बीच में होता है. When there is a comparison in more than 2, तब भी हम y को I से रिप्लेस करेंगे and we will add est to it. Okay. To some adjectives that end in E, we only add R or ST. अब कुछ adjectives ऐसे होते हैं जो E पर end होते हैं. अगर वो E पर end हो रहे हैं, if it is ending at E, what we will do? We will simply add R to it or add ST to it. जैसे कि large. Large मतलब बड़ा. Large मतलब बड़ा. If it is ending in E, we will be adding R. It is larger. The comparison is between two, right? Largest मतलब बहुत बड़ा. Suppose we are talking about mountains. एक बहुत बड़ा mountain हमने देखा. We said large mountain. It is a very large mountain, right? अब उससे भी बड़ा दिख गया तो it is larger than that one, right? वो उससे भी बड़ा है. और सबसे बड़ा दिख गया हिमालय को हमने देखा. It is the largest mountain, right? So like this we compare that. Okay. We use more or most with some adjectives to form their comparative and superlative form. अब कुछ words ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें हमको कुछ भी ऐड नहीं करना है, मतलब उस word को चेंज नहीं करना है, हमें सिंपली उसके आगे more या most लगाना होता है. जैसे कि beautiful. Beautiful का मीनिंग आप सबको पता है, सुंदर. ठीक है. अब इसके बाद में अगर हमें इसका कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म देखना है तो हम लिखेंगे मोर ब्यूटिफुल. ठीक है. नाउ अगर हमें इसका सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म देखना है तो हम लिखेंगे मोस्ट ब्यूटिफुल. इन दिस वी हैव नॉट मेड एनी चेंज इन द वर्ड. हमने जो एडजेक्टिव है हमारा उसके अंदर कोई चेंज नहीं करा. मैंने ब्यूटीफुल के अंदर कुछ भी ऐड नहीं करा, मैंने कुछ भी कट नहीं करा, मैंने कुछ भी डिडक्ट नहीं करा, मैंने सिर्फ इसमें ये चीज़ ऐड कर दिया, मोर ब्यूटीफुल एंड मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. दिस इज द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू, दिस इज द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन थ्री, राइट, और मोर देन टू, लाइक दिस. नाउ you can see there is an example in your book, cheerful, more cheerful or most cheerful. Like this you can compare. Now there is an exercise you can see. Complete the table with the positive, comparative and superlative forms of adjectives. तीन पार्ट होते हैं, positive, comparative and superlative. Comparative मतलब simple adjective, पॉजिटिव मतलब सिंपल एडजेक्टिव, कंपैरेटिव मतलब जब हम दो के बीच में कंपैरिजन कर रहे हैं, व्हेन वी आर कंपेयरिंग बिटवीन टू, और जब मोर देन टू के बीच में कंपैरिजन है, देयर वी विल राइट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री. ओके. लाइक हार्ड का क्या हो जाएगा, व्हेन वी आर कंपेयरिंग बिटवीन टू वी विल बी एडिंग ER टू इट, राइट. द वर्ड विल बी हार्डर, देन we will be adding EST to it, the word will be hardest. This is very very simple. Now my word of comparative is richer. Now with the help of this you can find कि अगर यहाँ पर richer है तो इधर हमारा adjective क्या होगा, my adjective will be rich. I have to just simply remove ER from it and my word will be rich. Now अगर दो के बीच में comparison है, ER हो गया. Now तो आगे हमारा सुपरलेटिव फॉर्म में क्या आ जाएगा, richest. The word will be richest. Now second one you can see there is a blank at the positive degree and we are available with the comparative degree. With the help of comparative degree you can just check out कि हमारा positive degree क्या होगा. हमें क्या करना है, what we have to do, हमें सिर्फ इसमें से ER को हटाना है and we will get our positive degree, that is rich. Now as we are having positive degree and comparative degree, it will be easier for us to get superlative degree. For richer it will be richest. We will be simply adding EST to it and it will become richest, right. Now with the help of this example, I had explained you this example just now. Beautiful is the adjective. We cannot add anything or we cannot replace anything. We can simply add more beautiful, उससे भी ज़्यादा सुंदर. most beautiful मतलब सबसे ज़्यादा सुंदर, right. Rest of the words you can do of your own. Now let's see next exercise. In the next exercise what you have to do, you have to choose the correct adjective from those given in brackets to complete the following sentences. Now you have to choose the correct option, correct adjective. Pamela is dash then Aruna. Now you can see in the sentence there is a comparison between two. There is a comparison between two. Therefore, we will be using shorter. Pamela is shorter than Aruna because we use ER in the comparative degree form, right? Wendy is dash of all girls. Wendy का comparison सारी girls के साथ में हो रहा है, मतलब more than 2 है इधर. The quantity is more, right? So it will be smartest. Wendy is the smartest of all the girls. Okay. My bag is dash than yours. There is a comparison between 2 boys or 2 girls कि मेरा बैग तुम्हारे बैग से हल्का है. तो if there is comparison between 2, that is comparative form, then the word will be lighter. My bag is lighter than yours, right? Now you can do rest of the sentences of your own. We have given you the PDF of it. With that you can cross check it if you have any doubt. Okay? Okay. Students, let's see exercise number C. In exercise number C, you have to connect each set of words into meaningful sentences following the instructions given in the brackets. Okay. Like football, popular, hockey, England. What you have to do? You have to use the comparative of popular. आपको comparative form लिखना है popular का. तो football is more popular than hockey in England. So the comparative form है हमारा more popular. Similarly, watermelon juicy fruit. अब हमें superlative form लिखना है juicy का. तो watermelon is the juiciest fruit. ठीक है? Aeroplane, fast, train. Use the comparative form of faster. So what will be the comparative form of faster? Let's see. An aeroplane is faster than a train. Like this, you have to do these sentences with the help of these brackets. You can have hints, you are available with hints, and with the help of hints you can just change it into the particular form. Rest of the sentences you can do of your own. Okay. Now fill in the blanks using the suitable adjectives from those given below. Good, better, best. This is the one form of comparison. कोई चीज़ अगर अच्छी है, मैंने अच्छा करा तो it will be good. मैंने उससे भी अच्छा करा, बहुत अच्छा करा, then it will be better. मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा करा, it is like बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा, then it will be best, right? मैम ने बोला thumbs up, it means you have done the best thing, right? The weather is good today. The weather is good today. आज का weather कैसा है? अच्छा है, nice. It is better than the weather last week. Last week पिछले हफ्ते जैसा weather था उससे इस बार का weather is better, right? However, it is not better than last year. पर last year जितना अच्छा weather था उससे अच्छा weather नहीं है. Like this, you have to use good, better, best in these blanks. Okay? I hope you have understood the topic well. If you have any query, you can go through the PDF file which we have already sent you to cross check your answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.